Are you a musician or host your podcast? Visualize your audio track with our new powerful kit. No more boring pictures. Witness a project like no other before. Audio Visualizer Kit Pro includes more than 650 compositions, audio presentations, podcast visualizations, lower thirds, and others. Create a hit parade or announce the release of your track with our new hits category. Use metronomes, notes, and other instruments in your tutorials. Create stylish intro for your music on YouTube channel. Choose existing composition or create your own custom shot with stunning 3D backgrounds. Surprise your listeners by creating a lyric video for your song.
Everybody know I'm no visual. Yeah, I kill a call like a criminal. I'm everybody's type, but nobody keeps an eye. You know I get it.
Promote your social media, SoundCloud, Apple Podcasts, YouTube Music, and others. We've prepared 3 most useful resolutions for different social medias. Introduce your sound on YouTube or promote it on Instagram stories. Edit in one click with Easy Edit Viewer. Customize colors, edit text, and equalize the tune with just one slider. Use Easy Edit Assets to find and download free media resources. 83+ million pictures, stickers, GIFs, and videos in one place. Stay with us so you won't miss our updates.